How do I increase the number of subscribers on Snapchat?
Hello, Snapchat enthusiasts. Today, we are going to tackle an exciting topic that's often asked. How can I increase my number of subscribers on Snapchat? It's a common question as subscribers can play a vital role in building your Snapchat presence. Stick around and we'll reveal some of the best strategies that can help boost your subscriber count.
What makes your Snapchat account engaging?
The first thing you need to ask yourself is, what makes my Snapchat account engaging? This is the root of attracting and retaining subscribers. Here's the deal: post regular content. In the world of Snapchat, consistency is key. Aim to post fresh content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Quality over quantity. Although it's important to post often, your content must still be of high quality. Posting mediocre content just for the sake of posting won't help you gain or retain subscribers. Be authentic. Show your unique personality or brand identity. Subscribers appreciate authenticity, so don't be afraid to show them the real you or the true spirit of your brand.
How can I reach more people on Snapchat?
After making sure that your account is engaging, the next question you might have is, how can I reach more people on Snapchat? Well, we've got you covered. Promote your Snapchat account. Share your Snapchat username or snapcode on your other social media platforms. You can also tell your friends or customers to follow you on Snapchat. Use relevant hashtags. Snapchat uses hashtags as a search feature. This can help new people discover your content. Engage with others. Commenting and sharing other users' content can get you noticed. Just make sure your interactions are meaningful and genuine.
How can I keep my subscribers?
You've made your account engaging and reached a larger audience, so now what? The next step is to learn how to keep your subscribers. Create interactive content, ask questions, create polls, or start challenges. Encourage your audience to interact with your content. Respond to your audience. If a subscriber messages you or responds to your story, make an effort to reply. It shows that you value your audience. Stay relevant. Keep up with the latest trends and incorporate them into your content. This keeps your content fresh and appealing to your audience. That wraps up our guide on how to increase your number of subscribers on Snapchat. Remember, building a substantial subscriber base takes time and effort, but with consistency, quality, and engagement, you're well on your way to growing your Snapchat presence. We hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start applying them. Happy snapping!